In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a PDF document from multiple pictures on your iPhone or iPad. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Photos app. Then tap at Select and select pictures you want to add to PDF file, just like that. Then hit at Share icon and then tap on Save to Files. Then select a directory where you want to save those photos. I'm just gonna create a new folder in that way. And then you can hit at Save to save those images to the folder. After that, go to Files app, then open up the folder where you have saved your pictures. Then hit at three dots, tap on Select, then select all that photos in that way. And once you have selected all the photos, hit at that icon and select Create PDF. That will create a PDF file from that photos. You can find it right here at the very top position. You can then open up that PDF file, and as you can see, it includes all that 8 photos that I have selected and saved on my device, and that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my iPhone tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.